Anshul. I am a fifth year student of Perm State Medical University.
Hello, I'm Ragini. I am from Perm State Medical University and I'm from the third course. And we are here to talk about RPL.
We are talking about the sports that our university supports and all the cricket lovers, all the future doctors of our university. Let's start with the RPL introduction.
So, RPL is Russian Premier League. It is mostly regarding.
Last year also it happened in our university and there were almost 8 teams. This year it will be a very big tournament and more than 10 teams are participating from all over Russia universities. And RPL is going to take place on 25th and 26th, and there will be a sports meet or a captain's meet on 24th of May.
And this is almost as good as an Indian IPL match, which is very promising for every cricket lover since so many teams are going to be participating and so many one of the most of the best participants are going to be there.
And we will be having a opening ceremony on 25th of May, and a closing ceremony also there will be on 26th of May.
On the day of opening ceremonies, there will be so many promising performances by students from our university, and they will be having dance performances and giving great opening ceremony so that the players feel motivated and feel privileged to be a part of this.
Yes, and what else we'll talk about? The closing ceremony also there will be many performances performed by our students, and trophies will be given to the players, the winning team, and medals also will be given.
So yeah, talking about academics as well. This university supports players and their studies as well. Dr. Vikas Saxena actually promotes both sports and education. He provides everything in needs for students who miss classes due to practices and any sessions so that students cope up with their studies as well and don't miss out on anything.
And in yesterday's live, if you will see the yesterday's live, you'll see that we covered whole of the ground and all of our team players were practicing. Even Vikas Saxena sir was also there. He was also playing with the team. He was fully supporting them, and we have the best players of our university in our team. A captain, we have the captain Kshitij and
the keeper, Jas, who's from first year, like promising talents from the first year. This is great opportunity for them as well. Coming to the team from the first year is a really big thing for the first years. As me being in third year, I know being a part of events that universities take place actually help in shaping the careers as well.
And we have our all-rounder Harshit Bhaiya from 6th year also, and Krishnakant, who is the best bowler, and he took almost 5 wickets in 1 over.
So coming to the cricket batsmen, we have Sonu Bhai, and Saurabh Yash, and so many more. And these people are like the best players of our university who are going to show their best, and obviously all teams will to win. And yeah,
all of the teams that are coming, they are very well prepared, and there will be a very tough competition. But our team is also prepared very well. They also won in the UFA tournament. Our team was the winner, and
hoping to win the IPL as well.
Yes.
So now coming to our university sports, Permathon. So this year there was a new concept called Permathon, and it was a very fun, interactive for all students kind of experience for everyone. So for Permathon, students were divided into 4 houses: red, black, purple, and orange.
And all of the houses were filled with best players in every sport. There were cricket, volleyball, football, chess, kabaddi. And besides that, our university is also supporting studies, so they also conducted Olympiad. And Olympiads, they were also divided into two halves. Like there was for first, second, and third year, the anatomy, biochemistry, and microbiology. And there was for fourth, fifth, and sixth year, and they had the subjects medicine, radiology, and therapy. And all of them were the brilliant students of our universities.
Houses and their players even went on to injuring themselves to just win that for their own house and get renowned for that particular sport. And the best players were there, and it was a very fun time as well.
And every player was loyal to the house.
There was no unfair play by any sort of player, and that was the best part, that they united as one team and they played. And now in the RPL they are uniting from separate teams to one single team and playing like one.
Yeah, and even then, even after injuring themselves, they are playing still. They're attending classes, they're playing, they're practicing, and even if they don't complain about that they can't sleep at night or whatever, they're still playing.
Trust me, this time is very crucial for everyone, including students from the 6th year. Like, they have their FMGs, and their dedication towards the game and studies is something beyond someone can expect. Like, you cannot really expect anyone to give up on studies and go for sports, but they are handling and balancing everything, which is the best part.
And uh, best part is our university, our Vikas Saxena sir, our PSMU, they are supporting the players. They are helping them in classes as well as sports. They are arranging for everything. They have booked a special ground for them to practice, on which the RPL is gonna happen. It's gonna take place there, and they're practicing over there.
The practice sessions are according to the students and the students' free time. It's not like they have to, cancel out on their classes or their schedules for practice. And even if they have to, they don't really complain or crib about it, because at the end, it's more for them and not the university. It's like for them.
Enthusiasm is very, very good amongst the players. We talked to them yesterday, and it was very nice. And Russian Premier League will have teams from all over the Russia.
Best teams. They will be the best teams, and from the best players in the teams. And moreover, it's like, yeah, as we said, last time it was on a little smaller scale, and this time it's on a larger scale. So it is very promising for every team, and they are actually playing very hard and trying very hard to win this time. Last time it was for Mari, and this time each and every university expects it to be there. And mostly we expect it to be for PSMU.
Yes, we're praying for it.
Exactly. And the university support for this event and each and every event till date was on a commendable level, from funding, from participants to, going lives, being publicly, promising for everyone, and everyone becomes a part of it. That was also on a very large scale.
Our university is also helping the other teams for accommodation, for their food,
for everything. Like, providing help is something Dr. Vikas Saxena and Rus Education does not fall back to.
Our university has special mentors for cricket. Even after being a Russian university, Russians do not play cricket. Still, they are supporting cricket, and that's a very incredible achievement for us.
Overall. So yeah, that's about the sports.
And also Rus Education and Vikas Saxena sir, they're supporting our students in academics as well as sports, and it's a very it's like a family
Exactly.
family
It's like a
atmosphere
family
for us.
And me as a third year student being part of most of the events, and my senior, she being a fifth year student, it doesn't look like we have a senior junior relationship. It's like we are family and we are always together.
We work together.
Celebrating good times and being there in the rough times as well. This is what PSMU is, and this is what PSMU gives. So yeah. And moreover, Dr. Vikas Saxena gives proper moral support to each and every student, which motivates each and every student to be a part of such events. And he is always there to support.
And at last, I want to give a message for future doctors. This is a message for future doctors actually. Like, you can play as well as study. You can do both. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy. So you should focus on both.
Exactly. I mean, I have heard people say, "तुम doctor हो, तुम पढ़ाई करो." I mean, why? Why just that? Why not, bring out the other side of you as well? The sports side of you. The maybe, parts of sports like commentaries and, interviews. And why not that? Why not explore yourself as well? About your co-curricular spaces as well, and just not being the doctor ki padhai karo.
This helps for character development also.
Exactly.
Yes. And also,
Health wise, this is a
Yes.
very important thing. Like sports, I mean, it provides for health as well.
So you study, you take care of your health, and everything will be good. And being doctors, we have to take care of our health. So for that, social activities, sports, and gymnastics, everything is very important.
Moreover, when it comes to sports, you interact with people. You get to know people. Maybe there are so many people that don't know each other being in this one university. But, sports, games, events, they actually bring us together. And this leads to personal development as well when it comes to,
And it helps in bringing some team spirit amongst everyone. You learn to live with others. You learn to live with how others are. Adjustments, compromises.
Exactly. And that is how you build up to a good team.
And also, every player's families are informed about it, and they support them in this.
Which is a really good thing. I mean, family support is like main thing. अगर किसी की family नहीं चाहती है तो कोई नहीं करेगा. But families support, and that is one of the strength that students get. I have seen people say that my family won't allow me to do this and they won't let me be a part of it. It's not like, I feel sometimes they should be free to do things and explore their co-curricular side.
PSMU is a very nice place to live for me. On my personal experience, I love being here. I love participating in different events. Sorry.
PSMU is something that just does not focus on building a medical career, but it also shapes students into exploring their sides that maybe sports and sides like dance and all.
Students, me being a student of PSMU, I think this is like my another home, away from home.
Yeah, actually, I have been here for 3 years, and now that I am so adapted to this place and the people over here, trust me, this place is just home. More like, I don't even understand. I don't even know how to put it in words how this place has shaped me into a person that I am today.
Yes, and foreign exposure, it shapes a person. And this place is very nice. As we have Indian Dean, he helps us in everything, in sports, in academics, in everything. There are also other activities like dance and all. They take place every time. We have different events happening in this university.
Moreover, there are faculties from India that come to teach. FMG classes also take place. No doubt, every year this happens, and 2 to 3 teachers every year come and teach students here, and that is a very helpful part of the medical career because at the end we have some Indian teachers, and one-to-one connection with them is very important. not all students can connect to all teachers here, but to Indian teachers, I am guaranteeing you all students connect.
I forgot to mention one thing about different universities that are participating. Few of them I can name right now. They are Mari, Tver University, Oldenburg University, and Pskov University.
There are many more, I'm sure.
Yes, they are, but I don't remember at the moment.
So this RPL is going to be something very much fun, and the involvement of each and every year is just on another level.
Um, with this, I think we should end this live video. Thank you for watching, and please, you should watch the RPL that is going to be live on 25th and 26th, and you are welcome to the stadium. It's welcome for all, whoever wants to come. But if you are not coming, if you have classes or you're busy, you can watch it on YouTube. And
we are going to be giving the commentary for the RPL. And
thank you.
yeah, thank you.